simple English conversation about daily routines.
Hello, good morning, Anwar.
Good morning, Don. How are you today?
Not bad, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine.
What do you do in your daily activities?
Nothing special. I usually help my father in the garden after going home from school.
What do you do there?
I usually hoe and water some plants.
Vocabulary: hoe, meaning a garden tool with a long handle that is used for turning the soil and for removing plants that you do not want. Example: they spent the afternoon hoeing the vegetable patch.
What time do you come from your garden?
At 5 o'clock p.m.
Great, you're so diligent and helpful, Anwar.
Vocabulary: diligent, meaning showing care and effort in your work or duties. Example: Leo is very diligent in his work.
Thank you, Don.
Anyway, do you usually get up early in the morning?
Yes, I do. Get up early makes me fresh.
At what time do you usually get up every morning?
I usually get up at 4:15 a.m.
What do you do then?
I pray dawn at the mosque. Then, I go jogging to the park till 5 o'clock a.m.
Vocabulary: dawn, meaning the early morning, when light first appears in the sky. Example: I woke at dawn.
After that?
I take a shower and get dressed.
Do you always have breakfast?
Sure. I usually have a sandwich and milk for breakfast.
At what time do you go to school?
I usually go to school at 6:45, 6:45 a.m.
How do you go there?
I go there by bike because my school is not far from my home. How about you?
I go to school by taking a bus because my school is quite far. It's nice to talk to you, Anwar.
Yes, it's nice to talk to you too, Donnie.